Welcome to Empowerment Mondays with me, Kendrick, Goree. Today I'm going to talk about it's time to build the thing that's inside of you. If you haven't watched the news now or know what's going on in the White House or who's president right now, thousands, if not millions of people will be losing their jobs even as this video is being produced. And federal workers at one point thought those jobs were safe. They thought it was safe. If I get a government job, that job is safe. Well, that's no longer the case, because we see that we have a president that is downsizing the government as we speak. I'm not here to talk about or to naysay the president or to down the government and what the president is doing. What I am saying it's time to tap in to your inner self. It's time to start that business. It's time, you're a great cooker, but why are you not selling it? You can do great video production, but why are you not selling it? You can do great writing and great speeches, but why are you not selling it? The job that you now have is no longer secure. And if you believe that your job is secure, you are in for a rude awakening. As we speak right now, the government is just slashing jobs. Some of the top people in our government are losing their jobs. People that's at the Pentagon, people at the VA Medical Center, USAID is losing their jobs even as we speak. Your job is not safe. And so my job today is to tell you that it's time to tap in to your inner self. I know a couple years ago, maybe 2.5, 3 years ago now, working on 3 years, I went ahead and started that company. Because even when I was working at the VA Medical Center, I understood that our jobs was not safe. And so now I'm continuing down that path and building my companies because nothing's safe. So it's time to tap into your inner self and start out and do and produce that thing that's inside of you. You never know who's needing your service right now. Your job is not safe, so it's time to tap in. It's time to look into your inner self and start that company today. Build that website. Go out there and knock on the doors. Go out into society and promote your business. It's not safe. It's time to tap in. Hello, everyone. This is Kendrick, Goree with Empowerment with a Purpose. We just want to let you know that we're offering consultant services here at Empowerment with a Purpose. Yes, if you have an idea, you just don't know what to do next, you need to talk to somebody, call me. If you got a business plan and you don't know what to do next, call me. You got a marriage problem, you don't know what to do, call me. If you just need to talk to someone, you're in grief right now, and you need to talk to somebody to get this off your chest, get this off your mind, and to get some healing going on, give me a call. Whatever you have on your mind, guess what? We can put you in a position, we can talk to you and give you a plan to get to the next level of your life. Right here at the bottom of this video, you will see the link. Type it in, and it's going to be a calendar pop-up. Choose the date that you need, and it's going to set up a conference call with me for 30 minutes. You can book however many minutes you want, but for 30 minutes. It is a fee. It's a small fee, but for a small fee, your life can be changed. So I don't know about you. If I was you, I'll go right now and type it in, and so I can get on the books so my life can begin to change. I'll be waiting on you. I'll be waiting on the calendar to show me that you're ready to talk. Thank you, and enjoy Empowerment with a Purpose consulting services. Thank you.